Hi, my name is Katie and I'm a Dyson expert, and I'm going to answer the question, how can I get the most out of my Dyson battery and when should I change it? In order to get the most out of your Dyson battery, only hold on to the trigger when you actually want to clean something. Another good tip is to make sure not to leave your machine on boost or on max the whole time, because this takes a lot out of the battery. It's also really helpful to leave your machine in the charger in between cleans, because this means that it's charging even when you're not using it. In terms of when to change the battery, you shouldn't feel the need to change the battery. However, if you do, they can be sold separately through the Dyson call centre. If you have any other questions, you can visit dyson.ie and live chat with a Dyson expert, or if you have any other demo requests, you can leave a comment below this video and use the hashtag AskADysonExpert.